The best AI eating videos are not the weirdest ones. The strongest ones are clear in the first second.
If the food, texture, and action do not read right away, the clip turns into visual noise.
Use this simple three-part formula. Start with a familiar action, like a bite, slice, pour, or melt. Then add an impossible material, like glass fruit, jelly noodles, lava candy, or ice. Finish with one sensory hook, such as crunch, crackle, fizz, slurp, or stretch.
The clip can feel strange as long as it stays readable.
Start with one object and one sensory twist. Glassy sushi works because soft sushi suddenly feels hard and crisp. A glossy strawberry works because the shape is easy to recognize. A ramen lake may make a strong thumbnail, but the motion can get messy. Before you generate, use the caption test. The food idea should be clear without a caption.
Start from an image, not text alone. The first frame gives the model shape, color, texture, camera angle, and thumbnail.
Then use the prompt to control the motion. Choose one subject, one action, and one camera direction. Judge the first second, then simplify. A weak prompt says, make a viral eating video. A strong prompt names the subject, material, action, camera, lighting, and limits. For example, start with a glossy strawberry on a white plate. Add an ice-like shell, one clean bite, a macro close-up, and a slow push-in. Keep the result playful, appetizing, and non-graphic. Do not stack 10 effects. One sensory idea is enough. Now focus on the GoEnhance workflow. First, use AI Image Generator. Use it when you do not have a clean source image in. Create one readable food image first, such as glass sushi, lava candy, jelly cake, or a glossy strawberry. Pick the image with the clearest shape and strongest texture. This image sets the thumbnail, food shape, material, and visual style. Next, turn the image into motion. Upload the still image you want to animate. Give the clip one clear action, like a bite, crack, melt, slice, or pour. Add camera direction and sensory detail. For most AI eating videos, this is the main workflow. The result should move on screen, not sit like a frozen screenshot. Show the bite, the texture change, and the loop feeling. For sound-led clips, switch to the sound texture workflow. Use it for icy crunch, glass crack, soft chew, or sticky stretch. The visual has to make the sound obvious. The motion and sound feeling must match. If the bite promises crisp, the visual should look crisp. Fourth, turn the idea into a repeatable series. Keep the macro framing, studio light, and centered food. Change only one variable, like the fruit, texture, bite, or sound mood. That is how one idea becomes a short-form series, not just a one-off test. Watch for 4 common mistakes. Do not make the scene too busy. Do not chase shock over satisfaction. Do not ignore the first frame. Do not publish every generation. Keep only the version where the action reads clearly. Here is the simple rule. If you already have a strong image, use image to video. If you do not have an image yet, build one with AI Image Generator. If sound is the hook, choose the ASMR video workflow. Pick one food, one impossible material, and one satisfying action. Then make it instantly replayable.